the number one natural iron food for men. I am making this video to encourage men on the best natural iron food men need to consume to get the best natural iron as a man. But before I proceed on this video, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case you are new on this channel, consider to hit the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to be a member of this very channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what is that number one natural iron food for men? This natural food is very important. For you to get the best natural iron as a man, consider taking unripe plantain. Not ripe plantain, but unripe plantain. Unripe plantain has so many benefits that any man that consumes unripe plantain will have the following benefits. What are the benefits? The main benefit why I came up with this video is natural iron. Then, apart from natural iron, you are going to get vitamin K, vitamin B, and most especially fiber. This fiber helps in working. For you to have the best working ability, consider taking unripe plantain, because unripe plantain will give you enough fiber, just like where you are taking orange, because orange contains fiber. So unripe plantain will give you fiber, and most especially it has high content of iron, which every man needs to perform well as a man and to be healthy, strong, efficient as a man. So that is what I want to share into this video. For all men to have natural iron, consider taking unripe plantain to be the best man you want to be and to always perform well as a man. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button. Subscribe to be a member of this very channel once again. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish a video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.